So I was looking on YouTube and there's no hack for a Logitech G20 for an Xbox One, and now I thought, well, I'll do it myself by using a control instead of hacking into my Logitech steering wheel, because they're a lot cheaper than them to break. So I pulled the old control apart. There's the original and there's the old one, and that's a just dead set cheap one, cheapest one you can get. Pull it apart and then get a length of wire and then solder it to those 2 points. See how I buggered one lot up? So I went to the next one and then just changed it on my steering wheel in the settings, and then I ran them wires there all the way up and around to the handbrake. Oh. And then I made that there piece of metal to hold the pressure switch from Supercheap Auto. And then I just got the old hydraulics and then removed it off here, and then utilised the old bolts to hold the metal in place, which held the rod that used to go in there to the hydraulics. I just undone it from there and then just got an old bolt and then put it in there and then shortened it, so that way I could make it go into the thing. See? Yeah, so I just sit this control up out of the way. Mind the mess, it's in my men's shed. It's not my house, this is my shed. Yeah, so now I'm playing Dirt 4. I'll show you the handbrake works. Sorry about the video, I'm using my phone. How do I turn that flash off? There you go.
Alright, a good position, and we'll get some cash flow for parts.
See, we're gonna get some cash flow for some go fast bits. Yeah, see?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Ready? Pull the handbrake. See when I pull the handbrake? See how it takes, the handbrake light turns off as you're driving, obviously. This is so hard with one hand. And there's the handbrake. So hard with one hand. Oh, you get the gist of it anyway. Thanks for watching my video. The dodgiest video yet.